This work objective is to pack turntables in a box for shipping. The equipment used includes a workbench, an easy pack, a tape dispenser, a label dispenser, pallets, and a waste basket. The materials used include shipping boxes, a turntable, brown shipping tape, green tape, various labels, glue, lubricant applied with long-handled Q-tips, stickers, component packing boxes, and a foam block. The tools used include a cleaning cloth and isopropyl alcohol in a spray bottle. The work environment is an inside work environment with heat and air conditioning. The personal protective equipment includes floor mats and gloves. The height of the worker observed was 5 feet 11 inches. The work tasks for packing the turntable begin with getting the turntable. Next, workers carry the turntable to the workbench. Then the worker will position the turntable on the workbench and walk to the shipping pallet. The worker will then get the platter packing box and carry the box to the workbench, where they will open the box and remove the platter. Then the worker will get the cleaning cloth and clean the platter. Workers then get the glue and position the glue on the platter. Serial number discs are collected and positioned on the platter. Workers then get an isopropyl alcohol spray bottle and spray the alcohol on the platter. Next, the platter is cleaned using the cleaning cloth. Workers will then get green tape and position it over the platter hole. The platter is placed in the platter box after this is completed. Next, the worker will pack the platter packing box and tape the box with brown shipping tape once fully packed. Workers then walk to the shipping pallet and position fragile and other identification labels and stickers on the shipping box. They get and set aside 2 pieces of foam packing material and the black packing box from the shipping box. They will open the black packing box and remove the top interior stabilizing materials. Then the worker will clean the turntable base with the cloth. Workers will get the green tape and tape the tone arm wire connector to the tone arm. Workers then press the pulley shim with their palms to make certain it is installed. The manual, 2 belts, and other materials are then loaded into a Ziploc bag, which is secured and positioned in the lower area of the black packing box. Then workers will get the power cord and RCA cables and position them in the lower area of the black packing box. Workers lift and position the turntable into the black shipping box and get the desiccant and position that in the black shipping box as well. They position foam over the turntable, get additional paperwork, position the paperwork in the box, and close and secure the box by inserting 4 flaps. The next step involves the workers lifting, carrying, and positioning the black packing box in the shipping box. Workers then get and position additional foam packing material. Finally, they get, carry, and position the platter packing box in the shipping box. There were several ergonomic risk factors observed for the pack turntable job. Repeated and sustained exertions were rated as a medium pace with hands in steady motion and exertion to pack turntables. Sustained exertions included continuous standing and continuous neck flexion. Forceful exertions were required to lift, carry, and position turntables and boxed components, to press the pulley shim, and to close and secure the shipping box. Awkward postures include torso flexion or forward bending and neck flexion while inspecting and cleaning and packing the turntable at the workbench. Extreme torso flexion or forward bending occurred while packing the shipping box that is positioned on the floor. Forearm rotation, wrist extension or backwards bending, and wrist deviation or sideways bending were observed while inspecting, cleaning, and packing the turntable. The mechanical or localized contact stress observed included contact stress between forearms, hands, and fingers and the edges of the components and boxes. It also included contact stress between the palm and the pulley shim when pressing to confirm installation. The recommendations for the pack turntable work task include: investigate utilizing an adjustable height work table that workers can adjust without assistance from maintenance to decrease posture stress. Consider adjustable height lift tables for the shipping pallet to decrease posture stress and forceful exertions. Investigate tools and/or fixtures to confirm the pulley shim installation to decrease contact stress, force, and awkward postures.